she run?
Yeah, she runs.
Wait up! Is she fast?
Yeah, she's fast.
She's powerful?
She's powerful.
It's easy to think your network is ready for anything, that it's fast enough and powerful enough to meet any challenge your business might face. But you just never know what you might run into. As organizations grow, networks can become more complex and harder to manage. New applications require expanded bandwidth, and new business models create the need for instant access to important information. And how can you meet all these challenges?